Meteorologist Rebecca Velasquez.
If you haven't stepped outside recently, trust me when I say it is literally freezing. Currently, at least here in West Monroe, we're seeing temperatures in the mid-20s. Any good news, though, in this forecast is that we are going to warm up for MLK Day tomorrow. We are expecting temperatures to warm up to the 50s. That's not something we've seen in a while, but then that'll end very quickly. Cold front will swing through tomorrow afternoon, and we could see rain, the transition from freezing rain to sleet, and even some snow following behind. I'll break down all the details of that. After that front, after all those showers and the snow and potentially sleet passes through, we are expecting a frigid mid part of the week as temperatures will drop down to freezing, and we're not going to see 50s until this upcoming weekend. So we are clear in regards to rain and cloud coverage as well. We are mostly clear, as you can see on our Spring Radar, brought to you by EM Young. Radar tried to play a little bit of games on us earlier by trying to show that there was a little bit of rain, maybe some freezing rain, maybe some sleet earlier with the pinks and a little bit of green, but it was just far too dry today across the ArkLaMiss and much of the Pelican State as well for really any precipitation to fall to the ground. So I do apologize, that was lying to you. So winter storm watch is in effect for only a few of us. We've actually added a few counties as well for tomorrow, starting tomorrow, lasting until 6 p.m. on Tuesday. So this is in effect for the western portion of the ArkLaMiss, not the entire ArkLaMiss, but I wouldn't be surprised if any more parishes or counties are added to that list. Temperatures currently across the ArkLaMiss in the mid to upper 20s, but we're staying really frigid across the entire southeast. All of us are staying at least in the 30s or the 20s. We're expecting temperatures to stay about the same for overnight lows tonight. What we see now is what we're going to expect for tonight. Wind chills, though, low 20s. So when we wake up tomorrow morning, it is going to be really very cold, very frigid, almost like as temperatures will feel like the upper 20s. But I promise you, we are going to warm up to the mid to upper 50s for our holidays Monday, tomorrow, under mostly sunny skies. So tomorrow is expected to be gorgeous. But let's break down what happens tomorrow afternoon. Front's going to move through. We do have the possibility to see some rain. That's what we see in the green. And then behind that thin line of pink, that's where we can see the mix of freezing rain, sleet, potentially rain mixed in with that. And then the blue, that's what we all like to see. That is a potential for snow. That is expected to start tomorrow night, lasting through the overnight hours into Tuesday morning. This is showing pretty much the entire ArkLaMiss blanketed at one point in the overnight hours. But as we head closer to 8 a.m. on Tuesday, that is all expected to dissipate and pass out. So if you live in the southern parishes, Wynne Parish, Grant Parish, Tensas, Catahoula, Concordia, you do have the possibility to see some snow early Tuesday morning, but it is going to be less, unfortunately, than everyone else. But for everyone else, you could see the possibility for some freezing rain mixed in with sleet ahead of the snow. The highs on Tuesday are only expected to reach literally freezing, if not below freezing. So we are expecting temperatures to be below freezing. We have that chance for wintry precipitation as well. So it's not good news when we have that frozen wintry precipitation freezing on overpasses and bridges with those temperatures and those highs reaching the freezing level. So that's where we could see, you know, the potential and potentially the danger. Whoops, let me go back now to the 7-day forecast. So really, that is what we're expecting for the next couple of days. Warm tomorrow. That wintry precipitation along with that front will come through Monday evening through Tuesday morning. That should all clear out by Tuesday afternoon, but we're going to be literally freezing for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we'll slightly warm up for this upcoming weekend. But stay with us. Spencer has a lot to cover in the world of sports when we return. You're watching NBC 10 News at